Hey there, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out some of our fantastic products. We're going to be taking a look at one of them today, which is sitting right inside of this beautiful box by the name of the Catalyst. Inside of our box in a box, you know something good is going to be inside when that comes to your place, including this fantastic piece of information, which is a card telling you how wonderful you are for joining the Manly Bands movement. Inside we've got some information for customer support. There's also a QR code because those are cool. And we've got some information for our social media. So get on there, post some pictures of yourself, your ring, and tag Manly Bands. We'd love to take a look at them. Inside, there it is, beautiful, the Catalyst. This is a cobalt chrome with a satin finish. So we're leaving just a little bit of that shine on there. Custom fit, perfect every time. Cobalt used in a lot of jet engines. So that's pretty sweet. But in terms of a catalyst, man, Corey, what's your favorite catalyst? Okay, well, mine's vanadium. Inside also is our black silicone ring, so that's a great option if you're not feeling the cobalt chrome for the day, which I don't know why you would, because it's sweet. Inside also are some special offers as they become available, so discounts to different things around the internet universe. Who knows? It's in a package. I don't know what's inside. But while you're waiting on those things to arrive, thanks for coming to manlybands.com and checking out this.